ginger tomato rice soup casserole, or ginger tomato rice soup bowl, or ginger tomato rice soup. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the tomato casserole recipes, and one of the most unique of the ginger root recipes, and one of the most different of the tomato recipes, and one of the most unique of the tomato soup recipes, one of the most easiest to make of the rice recipes. Today we are going to make ginger tomato rice soup casserole. We have taken around 100 grams of rice, cleaned thoroughly and soaked in water. The next ingredients are around 30 to 40 grams of ginger, around 2 to 3 tomatoes cut into pieces, 15 grams of garlic, around 30 to 40 shallots. Pour it in the oil. Let the oil get heated. Put in the shallots and the garlic. Salt thoroughly. Keep on sauteing. Put in the ginger pieces. Salt ginger pieces. Thoroughly salt mix. Let it cook for a minute in the oil. Put in salt to taste. Thoroughly mix. Put another salt. Keep on sauteing. Put in the tomato pieces. Saute the tomato pieces. Put in a quarter spoon of turmeric powder and a spoon of chili powder. Saute thoroughly. Pour in 200 to 300 ml water. Mix. Put in the rice. Mix thoroughly. And let this mixture cook for 30 minutes. For the required time, put in some curry leaves, mix, and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. ginger tomato rice soup casserole is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final ginger tomato rice casserole, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the casserole recipes and one of the most unique of the tomato casserole recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the ginger root recipes and one of the most unique of the rice soup recipes and one of the most different of the casserole recipes.